How to get Facebook Marketplace back on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get back Facebook Marketplace on your iPhone or Android. So let's get started. Open up your Facebook and this is the marketplace we are talking about. If you don't have this icon on your tab, you will need to follow these steps which I'm going to show you. So let's get started. First, go to your menu section. After you're on your menu section, scroll down till you see privacy and settings. Tap on it and go to settings. After you're on settings, scroll down. Under preferences, you will see tab bar. Tap on tab bar. Now next, you'll have to tap on customize the bar. Now here you will see on my tab bar, I have pinned marketplace. Now let me just hide this. Now after I've hidden this, as you can see now my Facebook Marketplace is gone. This is the current scenario for you. Now to make this unhidden, that is to make this appear on your tab, all you have to do is pin this. Now after you've pinned it, the Facebook Marketplace will appear on your tab, and that is how you can get Facebook Marketplace back on your iPhone. And that is all for this video. Thanks.